In this problem, we need to find a score that's going to make a mean be what we want it to be. So we've got 4 points in this data set already. We need to figure out what's the fifth point in that data set that would make the average or the mean be 22. Let's read this problem first, and then I'll talk about how we might go about this. It says Justin has scores of 17, 23, 28, and 18 points in his 4 basketball games so far. How many points does Justin need to score in his next game to average 22 points per game? So there are going to be 5 numbers here. One of them we don't know yet. That's what we need to figure out. And the average of those 5 numbers is going to be 22 points per game. When we figure out an average or a mean, so we would say the mean is all of those numbers added together. So 17 plus 23 plus 28 plus 18 plus our mystery number. We don't know what it is. So I'm just going to put in X for that. And then we'd add all those together and then divide them by the number of numbers there are, and there would be 5. Well, we know that we want that mean, that average, to be 22. So instead of a big M out here, I'm going to put in 22. Now we can actually solve this equation for X, and it's going to give us the number that we need to make this average 22. I think the first thing I'm going to deal with is this fraction. I'm going to get rid of this fraction by just multiplying both sides by 5. So 22 times 5, let's see, 5 times 2 is 10, and 10, so that's 110. And then here, the 5s are just going to cancel each other out. So we're going to have 17 plus 23 plus 28 plus 18 plus x. We've got some like terms we can combine all these numbers. So let me add those up. 17 plus 23 plus 28 plus 18. So here we've got 110 equals 86. That's what all these numbers added together were, plus x. And then to solve for x, all we need to do is subtract 86 from both sides. So we have 110 minus 86, and that is x equals 24. So to average 22 points per game, Justin needs to score 24 points in his next game. So that is how to find a value to make a mean what you want it to be.